Ordering Takeout, real English conversation practice. Hi there, welcome to Flavor Bites. Is this for here or to go?
Hi, I'd like to order to go, please.
Sure, take your time. Here's our menu. Let me know if you have any questions.
Thanks. Everything looks really good. What do you recommend?
Our spicy chicken wrap is one of the most popular items. It comes with a side of fries or salad.
That sounds great. I'll take the spicy chicken wrap with fries.
Got it. Would you like to make it a combo? It comes with a drink for just $2 more.
Okay, sure. I'll get a combo. Do you have iced green tea?
Yes, we do. Sweetened or unsweetened?
Unsweetened, please.
Perfect. So, one spicy chicken wrap combo with fries and unsweetened iced green tea. Would you like to add a dessert? Today we have fresh brownies and banana muffins.
Okay, I'll take a brownie too.
Great choice. Anything else for you?
Nope, that's it. Thanks.
All right. Your total is $14.60. Will you be paying with cash or card?
Card, please.
You can tap or insert your card right here. Thank you. Your order will be ready in about 10 to 12 minutes. We'll call your name when it's ready. Can I have your name for the order?
Sure. It's Alex.
Thanks, Alex. You can wait by the pickup counter.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal. Ordering food in a restaurant. Long practice dialogue. Good evening. Welcome to Maple Grove. Table for how many?
Just one, please.
No problem. Follow me, please. Here's your table. Your server will be with you shortly. Hi there. My name is Sarah, and I'll be taking care of you tonight. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Hi, Sarah. Yes, I'll have a glass of water and maybe a lemonade.
Sure. I'll bring those right out. Here's the menu. Let me know if you have any questions. Here's your water and lemonade. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think I am. I'll start with the creamy mushroom soup, and for the main course, I'd like the grilled salmon.
Excellent choice. The grilled salmon comes with mashed potatoes and seasonal vegetables. Is that okay?
Sounds perfect. Can I also get extra lemon on the side?
Of course. Would you like any appetizers or bread before your soup?
Actually, can I get some garlic bread?
Absolutely. So let me confirm. You'll start with mushroom soup and garlic bread, and your main course is grilled salmon with mashed potatoes and vegetables. Extra lemon on the side. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Perfect. I'll put that in for you. It should be out shortly. How was everything?
Delicious. The salmon was cooked perfectly. Thank you.
I'm so glad to hear that. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Maybe just a coffee. Do you have cappuccino?
Yes, we do. I'll bring that right out.
Thanks again.
How to ask for the bill in English. Real restaurant conversation.
Excuse me, could I get the check, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right over. Did you enjoy everything today?
Yes, I really did. The food was fantastic, especially the salmon. It was cooked just right.
I'm so glad to hear that. It's one of our most popular dishes. Did you enjoy the soup as well?
Yes, the mushroom soup was creamy and flavorful. I liked that it wasn't too salty.
Great. We try to keep it light, but still tasty. Here's your check. Take your time, no rush.
Thanks. Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept all major cards. You can tap or insert your card right here on the machine. Would you like a printed receipt or just an email copy?
Printed, please. Also, is there a way to leave a tip by card?
Yes, there's a tipping option on the screen. You can choose the amount before confirming.
Got it. Done. I left a little something. You've been super helpful.
Thank you so much. That really means a lot. I'm happy to help.
By the way, do you know if the restaurant is usually this busy on weekdays?
Actually, lunchtime is usually a bit quieter, but dinner time, especially Thursdays and Fridays, gets really packed. We recommend making a reservation if you come around 6 or 7 p.m.
That's good to know. I'm visiting from out of town and stumbled upon this place. Glad I did.
Welcome to the city then. Where are you visiting from?
I'm from Vancouver, just here for a conference for a few days.
Nice. I hope you get a chance to explore. There are some great spots nearby, especially the park and the weekend market.
I'll definitely check those out. Thank you for the great service and conversation.
It was my pleasure. Have a safe trip, and we hope to see you again soon.
You will. Thanks again. Bye.
Take care.